Avinash, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Zaggle, to get in more perspective about the earnings. So firstly, we have seen a 41% revenue jump. Margins were strong, but profit continued to remain flat on a YOY basis. Could you just take us through the quarter and also let us know whether this kind of revenue performance, is it sustainable even going forward?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Great. Thank you for having me on the show. So, if you look at the PAT, if you look at the cash PAT grew 95%, and year on year. The ESOP cost of 6.72 crores that has impacted the overall PAT. We saw a growth in the overall PAT as well, and on a quarter-on-quarter basis, that also grew very significantly by I think about 250+%. So the core cost, right? So the cash PAT is 16.7 crores, and the overall PAT was 7.6 crores. And revenue growth, as you said, look, for us, H2 is always 60 to 65% of our overall revenues for the year. So we do expect that trend to continue. For the first half, we did about 302 crores.
Mentioning that H2 will be better for you compared to H1, and I believe there will be some reduction in finance cost also going forward. So how are you expecting your profitability to shape up in the second half of financial year?
See, I think I don't want to give specific guidance here, but our finance cost will come down because we've retired about 47 crores of debt, right, post raising the IPO money, and that has a good impact as well. Overall, the ESOP cost for the year is about 19 to 20 crores estimated. A significant part of it has been taken already in the H1. So that also, again, the impact of ESOP costs in the next 2 quarters may not be as significant as this.
Avinash, this is Vinny joining in the conversation. Good afternoon. What I want to also talk about is in terms of your recent strategic alliances with Visa as well as Kotak Mahindra Bank. What are the synergies from both these alliances as well as more such tie-ups expected?
Thank you for that question. Absolutely, great synergies, great brands, great franchises with very deep networks. So Kotak Mahindra Bank co-brand card, it's a wonderful opportunity where we are bundling a whole suite of solutions of Zaggle and Kotak Mahindra Bank, bundling the employee expense management platform, employee benefits platform from Zaggle, marrying it with the salary account, which Kotak Mahindra, best-in-class salary account, which Kotak Mahindra Bank offers. So from a corporate perspective, they would just get a full-fledged solution on the employee side, whether it's expense management, employee benefits, a salary account, along with the co-branded card. Right. Similarly, with Visa, it was a tie-up for us to be able to launch our Forex cards. So it was an incentive that Visa gave over 5 years for that. And in the coming quarters, we launch our Forex programs. That again sits beautifully with our employee expense management solution. And more such partnerships. We are working on more such strategic partnerships.
On more such strategic partnerships, so surely watching out for that. But Avinash, also, if you could just talk to us in terms of the competition in the sector, if you could give us an indication in terms of that and how is it working out for the company with the competition?
See, if you look at the spend management space, this is a space which is growing very rapidly. Companies are seeking more transparency, more compliance, cost efficiency, reduction in leakage. There's a lot of desire in companies to go green, and we enable that through digitizing their spends. To the best of our knowledge, there's no other player which is offering you a single platform where you have your employee benefits, employee expenses, you've got your vendor payments, your rewards, all these payouts that you have as a company, married tightly with a purchase card, a corporate credit card, a Forex card, a prepaid card, multiple form factors. We do key fobs, we do virtual cards, we do physical cards. So nobody else offers this full suite, and people are fed up of multiple logins, multiple dashboards, running pivot tables to get insights. Our platform makes it very easy through bar graphs, pie charts, to consolidate all these different types of spends on a single platform, and then give you very actionable, intelligent insights. Right. And so, from an employee perspective, a single app, multilingual app, becomes very easy to use. It's the simplicity where the beauty lies. And there are pockets of competition, of course, obviously, and we respect that. But to the best of our knowledge, nobody has a full suite.
Okay. Thank you so much, Avinash, for joining in with us this afternoon on ETR, giving us an understanding in terms of your numbers as well. Thank you so much for that. But